Hi, and welcome to Deep Papas. In today's episode, I wanted to help people that are going out, buying a domain, and they want to put that domain on a landing page builder that they might have. And in our case, I'm going to show you how you can also get a secure site that you can get for free, basically. So you don't even need to pay for an SSL when you're buying a domain. So in our case, in this example, I'm actually going to connect a landing page that I built. It's a blog post kind of thing. It's like an advertorial that I wanted to make it more legit. So I went out and bought a domain. And now I wanted to connect the two, and I wanted to show you what I'm doing in order to connect things. Okay, so for one, I've built a page based on a product that I'm promoting, that I want to promote, basically. All right, so in this example, I'm using Groovefunnels to build my landing page. You can do this with any other landing page builder, maybe even ClickFunnels, maybe whatever you're using. Okay, so in my Groove account, I went out and built a couple of pages where I want to put these pages in. This is a ClickBank offer that I'm promoting as well. All right. So I created three types of pages that I wanted to build on. Now, the one that I'm also branded it a bit, and I'm calling it Pearly Whites. And it's funny because I found this logo ready-made for me on Canva when I created it. So I built this page and I wanted to connect it to a domain. So when I'm publishing it, I don't want them to go to the free domain that I have from Groovefunnels, which is this one right here. Okay. Well, I didn't actually publish it yet. So let me publish this. But I wanted to show you how I'm going to be connecting my new domain that I went out and bought called Pearly White Byte. Okay, which is pretty cool. So I got this domain. And what I want to do is connect it to my domain. And the cool thing about Groovefunnels is that there's a simple way of connecting your domain in general. Okay, so I took the domain and I'm going to paste it and publish it. Now, it's not going to be published yet because I need to do a couple of things in order for Groovefunnels to connect with my domain. Okay, Groovefunnels provides me with hosting. So I don't need to worry about hosting. I don't need to go buy hosting. So all I was interested in was getting myself a domain that cost me about $8. Okay, and a Cloudflare account where I'm about to connect things. Cloudflare is a free place that you can go and put your domains on there and also get SSL and traffic, and you can check out your traffic on there. Everything that's pretty easy to use as well. So what I'm going to do is going to add the new site that I got, the domain, so it can connect to Cloudflare, so it can communicate between each two. All right, so I'm going to add pearlywhitebyte.com. Okay, and no, you will not be paying for anything. There's a place that you're going to be choosing, which is this one right here, and click on continue. So once we're inside, you're going to see this area right here. Now, before I continue to this area, what I want to do, this is parked in Namecheap. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to be removing that, and I'm going to be adding the host domain, which is Groovefunnels. So I'm going to get this details. The details are given to me from Groovefunnels if you go through the training, if you're in Groovefunnels. But this is the domain, all right? So you're going to add a CNAME, www.host10.groovepages.com. Okay, and then all I'm going to do is click on continue. Okay, now I need to log into my Namecheap account. It's giving me all the stuff here. So what it's telling me right now is I need to go into my domain, and I'm going to be changing my name servers. Okay, so in my domain, if I scroll down, you'll see name servers. And this is in Namecheap. This works for all domain places that you're buying your domain. Doesn't matter if it's Namecheap, doesn't matter if it's GoDaddy. There's going to be a place where it's called name servers, and you're going to change it to custom DNS. The reason why is because you're going to be pinpointing to the host so it communicates with the host and the domain, so it connects together. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and get that information from here. So it says add Cloudflare's name servers, which is click to copy, come back into this area in Namecheap and add the first one and then add the second one. Perfect. So I'm going to click on the check thing. Okay, and now back in this is we're done. We've changed the name servers. I just need to make sure that it's saved. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and done and check. Now it might need to take 24 hours. Usually it doesn't, so it's going to be better. Go ahead and click on these. Always use HTTPS. All right, and I mean this is up to you, but I think I should do that. I mean, I always it's for say, I don't know, if there's a problem then maybe you change, but I don't think there's going to be a problem there. You're good to go. Just follow the thing as it's showing you. So this should be ready. Now I need to go back in here and I'm going to publish this again, and this is going to be published on this site. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I need to be doing on my end, but it should be showing up soon. If it's not, it needs to propagate. So I'm gonna check it out now. I'm gonna open it up in incognito mode because I might be cached in. Okay, this is not ready yet. What happens here is that it needs a little bit of time before it moves over to the servers. Okay, it also says it might need 48 hours, 24 hours, etc. But let me just check and make sure that this is all set up properly. All right, so I just checked everything and it's an incognito, pearlywhitebyte.com, and we can see that one of my pages is live and it's working. Okay, so right now this is also secure. As you can see, it's perfectly set up, so this is working properly. Now I put this on a domain. This is hosted from Groovefunnels. Like I said, I don't need to pay for any hosting or anything. My page is ready to basically go. All right, and let me see what else. Now for that specific site, here goes the byte pearly whitebyte.com. If I go to page 2, I believe this is the site that I wanted. All right, and this is what I'm going to be sending traffic to for a specific offer that I'm promoting on ClickBank. And this is how you can connect your domain, how to put it on a host. I mean, basically, whoever you have as a hosting place, you can use Cloudflare and just connect things from there, and you should be good to go. Okay, Cloudflare is free, and you can get a free SSL, because usually when you're buying domains, it adds an extra $3. For example, if you came here to buy from Namecheap, you would be purchasing a domain. You'll be purchasing a domain, and then in the price, there's also the SSL thing. Okay, and a lot of people don't, know about this method that I'm showing you here. So let's say we get this one right here. It's gonna say like hold on. It says like, where is it? SSL, €3.20 a year. Okay, there's no point of doing that when you get it done with Cloudflare, just like I showed you right now. All you have to do is remember to change the name servers on your domain area, like I showed you, and then everything, and get the hosting details for the CNAME. All right, thank you, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, by the way, for more videos just like this. Peace out.